So, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Satram. So, today we are going to see another important question on uh, probabilities. So, let's see what is that question. Let A and B are two events such that probabilities of A union B is 0.64 and probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.64. Find the probability find the probability of exactly one of the events A and B occurs. So it is a simple question. Just we need to understand something. Okay. So what is exactly one of the events A and B A and B occurs? What is this event? How we write? A union me means either uh, A or B occurs. If we subtract their intersection, then this is the event. Exactly one of the event A and B occurs. This becomes this event. Okay. So we know that if X is subset of Y, then probability of Y minus X is nothing but probability of Y minus probability of X. This happens. Now, now note that let's say this is the event. I am calling this is E. So we need to calculate probability of E. Okay. Note that note that A intersection B is actually subset of A union B. Okay. Therefore, therefore, probability of E, that means probability of A union B from A union B set minus A intersection B is equal to probability of A union B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so this is 0.64 and this is 0.16. So this is 0.48. Okay, hence the probability of exactly one of the events of the events A and B occurs is 0.48. So this is the answer. Okay. So this question is up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. I will answer. So like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's question. Thank you very much. We will see you for next question.